Hey guys, this is Nirmal for Technique, and today we'll see the guide on how to manage the SD card on the Nokia X. So Nokia X comes with 4 gigabytes of internal storage, out of which around 1.2 or 1.5 gigabytes is only available for the user. So which is very low, considering that some of the games have very high storage space requirements, like say for example Asphalt 8, which requires almost 1 gigabytes of storage. So what you do is you can expand the storage on this device using the microSD card. So we already talked about how to use the microSD card on this device. So we have to remove the back cover and insert the microSD card, which supports up to 32 gigabytes of storage. So now how do we manage the apps and storage on the microSD card? So first thing, you can go to settings and see the storage option. So if you scroll down, you can see the storage option. So you can see the storage occupied by the internal storage, phone storage, as well as the memory card. So right now you can see the memory card I have inserted does not have any data, so it is showing that the complete storage is available. That's 1.84 gigabytes of storage available. So this is the 2 gigabytes memory card. Now you can clear memory card from here. So if you want to format and remove all the data, you can clear the memory card from here. Now another good thing is that you can move apps and other files onto the SD card. So go to apps, so you can see click manage apps. So this will populate the list of all the apps which are currently available or installed on your phone. So now let's go ahead and see one app. So let's open Instagram. So if you're running out of storage on your phone memory, what you can do is open the app from the app list and then move to memory card. So you can click here, and this will move the app from the phone storage onto the memory card. So that means this will free up some of the space on your phone storage, and this will be stored on the memory card. So make sure that you have the memory card installed all the time, else the app will not perform well. So you can also, in case you are removing the app, the SD card, and you want the app to work, so you need to move it to the phone, so that it will work again. So that's how you move the phone installed apps. So if you're occupying a large storage on the phone, what you can do is you can transfer some of the apps onto the SD card and then manage it from there. So that's a pretty good option to have on this phone. So even if you have a very less storage on the phone, you can transfer them to the SD card, which is supported up to 32 gigabytes. Now another option is when you take photos, so the camera app. So by default those are saved in the phone storage. So what you can do is go to the camera, open the settings. So you can see the save image option, so save images too. So select this and you can see the two options, memory card and internal storage. So anytime you record a video or take a photo, it will be stored to the internal storage, thereby reducing this option available there. So what you can do is select memory card, and now any images you take will be stored in the memory card instead of the phone storage, thereby you have enough storage. So the issue with having very low storage on the phone is that the phone itself will become slow, because the system needs some amount of storage to perform its activity. So if it is running on very low storage, the cache etc will be very slow, and in turn the device will also become slow. So what you can do is keep some amount of space always available on the phone, and you can move the data like the photos and the apps we already talked about. You can also do this for video. So you can take here video and go to settings, save videos to memory card. So it's already selected as memory card. So both videos and audio, the photos can be saved onto the memory card. So by this you will improve, get some more space on the phone storage. So that's how you manage the SD card on this device. So you can either move the data, the installed apps onto the SD card, or else you can also set the camera to save all the images in the SD card. So those are the two options by which you can increase the phone storage or keep the phone storage intact, and then install the memory card and then expand the storage. So that's all in this video. If you have any specific queries, drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and finally, thanks for watching this video.